You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you how to create YouTube thumbnail using Canva in your PC. You can do this with your phone, with your iPhone, or with your Android phone. I'm currently using PC. So we are going to first of all go to Canva website in your Chrome browser or download Canva app in your PC. This is my Canva. Just search for Canva. If you're using phone to do yours, go to your Apple Store or Play Store and search for Canva and download. You can see the name here, Canva, Canva. Download the app. Or if you're using your PC, go to Canva website in your Chrome browser, search for Canva, log in and start your thing. Or you can download the app to your system. Let's begin. So this is my Canva interface. When you come into Canva, this is the first thing you're going to see. But ignore all these things. This is because I have been designing on my Canva. So these are my projects. So we're going to search for under here. You first of all select templates. Let me show you something. If I click here, it will change. So if you want to design a thumbnail, you must select this template first. So I'll search for YouTube thumbnail. I'll use the search option to search for YouTube thumbnail. It's already suggesting YouTube thumbnail for me, so I'm going to click on this YouTube thumbnail. Under here, there are different thumbnails already available. You can choose to use any one and recreate it, but in this video I'm going to be creating mine from scratch, so I'm going to select this blank space. Please ignore this thing that is showing here. I'm actually using Canva Pro. I'm using a group subscription and my payment is about to expire, so it's giving me warning to know what's happening. So let's dive in. I'm using a plain sheet. Then I'm going to use a black background. So I'm going to change the color of this background. So first of all, I'm going to click on this place to change the color of the background to black. I'll select black here. This is black. So the next thing is to use to write what I want to, the topic of my design. I'll come over here and click on text. Then I'll click on add a heading. I'm going to type something here now. How I'll position my text very well. Then I'll go and click on, I can duplicate this, you can still go back. Like if you want to add more text, you can duplicate. Sorry, I'm rushing. If you want to add more text, you highlight this one that we wrote here, click on this plus sign, then duplicate it. You can see it now. You can drag one down and add your text, or you can still come to this same add a heading, click on it, then continue. So I'm going to highlight this so that I can change it. There are two ways to add in your text. You can add in text by highlighting this and typing something, you can see, or you can simply delete and type again. So I've written, I'll position it well. I will still duplicate to continue. This is how you keep duplicating till you are done, until you are done with what you are doing, or until you are done with your text. So I'm going to type in YouTube. You can actually go ahead and instead of typing one single word and duplicating, you can go ahead and type everything once. But because of the style I want to use, I don't want to type everything once. I just want to create a very simple design for a video I'm going to upload on my YouTube. So then I will still duplicate again. So I'm just using my own style. In your own, you can just do yours how you want to do it. I'm just showing you how to do this so that when you finish learning, you can practice it and do it your own way, because you must not follow my format. So I'll soon be done. In case you're finding it difficult to highlight certain word in a certain box, just use Ctrl A and you highlight everything to make it easier. Press Ctrl A in your keyboard to make it easier for you. So I'm going to type in something now. Yeah. So now I'm going to beautify these words and change the color and all that to make it give me what I want. This video is going to be a long a bit because I want to take my time to explain everything to you. So now I'm going to leave this one as white. So if you want to increase the font size of your write-ups on Canva, you first of all highlight the particular word you want to increase. So I'm going to highlight this one, then I'll come over here. You can see font size. You can click on minus sign to reduce the size, and you can click on plus sign to increase the size. So if you want to change the font style of your text in Canva, you will still highlight the text you want to the effect to take place on. You come to this particular place, then you click on it. It will bring out different font styles for you. You can go over it and choose any one you like. I'm going to, in this video I'm going to use Anton, so I'll click on this one. Just watch. It's going to, you can see now it has taken effect on my text. The text shape has changed. If you look now, this text is different from this other text because this first one has a different font style than to the rest. So I'm going to basically use the same font for all of them. And there is this thing, there is a lot of designing. When you're creating design, don't ever use more than 3 different fonts. Yeah, don't use more than 3 different fonts. The same thing with colors. Don't use more than 3 different colors, otherwise it will not show professionalism in your work. The highest colors you can use for your design is 3, minus black and white. Any other color you want to add that is not black and white, it should not exceed 3. So I'm changing the font style of all my letters to the one of my choice. You must not actually use this particular font style in your own video. You can choose the one you want. So the next thing now is I want to add a style. I want to change something here. So I'm going to, and anytime you're designing a thumbnail, make sure that your thumbnail is very big in a way that anyone can clearly see what is on the screen. So if you want to move your alphabets, your words to any part, this is what you are going to do. You highlight it, do like this. You can take it to any position that you want. So I want to add a structure to my text. So I'm going to go to elements. Element is where you can get anything, any design that you want. I'll look for shapes, where you get any design that you want for your designing. So I'll choose this one. I'm going to select this particular shape. So this is it here, or it came twice. If you want to delete anything while designing in Canva, simply highlight it the same way I highlighted mine. Click on these 3 dots and you're going to see, sorry, I think highlight, you just see this icon. This is delete icon, you delete. So I'm going to use this shape to achieve something right now. But before that, let me set everything up first. I want to change the color of some of these alphabets. Sorry, this video is a kind of long because I want to explain everything to you in details without missing any. So just watch me as I arrange my text for a better understanding. Yeah. So I'm going to make this YouTube to be very, very, like the word YouTube to be outstanding, because this is basically the main thing I want every eye or every eyes to see once they come to this channel, once they see this thumbnail. So I'm going to change the color of some of the alphabets. So I'm going to change the color of verify. You highlight it first, then come over here. Anytime you want to change the color of a text in your Canva, just highlight the text, come over here, click on this place. It will bring out colors for you. You can see the colors. So I'm going to choose this color, change all. Basically I want to change all. This color. So sometimes when you want to change certain color on when you are designing, it will ask you to choose all. Just click on choose all. When you are done, just come here, click on this undo arrow. It will take it back. It will take some of them back to the initial color. So you go back again to that same place you went to, then select color, still at this change all, then undo. Yeah, it has changed the colors. I only want to change the color of verify. So you can use this undo hack to bring back the original color of other ones. So now I'm going to increase the font of this verify. I want it to be bigger. I'm also going to increase the font of this YouTube. I want the YouTube to be biggest. I've changed the color of my text. So I'm going to use this box. I want to use this box to give more highlights to YouTube. So I'm going to remember when I imported this thing as shapes. So I'm going to adjust it to suit my taste. So when you click at those ends, you can expand it to suit how you want it to be. So I'm adjusting it to suit what I want to use it for. So now I'm going to change the color of this box to red. So it's highlighted. So I'm going to go to this place. I'll highlight it. I'll go to this place here. I'll change the color to red. So I want to make this red to be very dark. I'm going to click on this color wheel. I'm going to click on, please ignore the background noise. I'm going to click on this color wheel. It will bring me here. I'll drag this to any size I want to drag. If I click on this ring here, take it to any size I want. As you can see, the color of the YouTube is changing. Sorry, color of the shape is changing. So I'm going to leave it as here. So I'm going to carry YouTube and keep on top of it so that it will bring more emphasis on the YouTube. Any person will be able to see this YouTube. So if you want to add effect to your text, just come highlight this text, come to effects, click on effects. There are different effects that you can use. There is outline, there is many of them. Just go through it and choose any one that you want to use. So this is it, by the way. Then if you made, let me take for instance you are designing something and you made a mistake, just go up here and click on undo. It will remove whatever that you have designed already. If you deleted something or stuff like that and you want it to go back to normal, just click. Now I want to upload image to my design. This is how to upload image to your design. Just come over to this place, uploads. You can see uploads. Click on uploads. You will see upload files. If you want to upload from your phone or from your gadget, your laptop, PC, click on upload files. Then you check your gallery and pick the particular file that you want to upload. I want to use this first one, so I'm going to double click. I actually want to upload more than one file, but let me check if it is going to work. So this is the image I want to upload. I'll double click on it and it will come to the screen. You can resize it. Click here to resize it to any shape that you want. You can also add your personal image if you want to use your own image. So now I'm using Canva Pro and I want to remove the background of this image. I'll click on background remover. If you're not using Canva Pro, you can let me know so that I'll show you how to verify how to get image without background. So when you upload your image, you can resize your image to any size that you want. Please ignore any kind of noise you are getting from this background, please. So now I'm done with my designing. It is not a must that you put this kind of image. You can use any image of your choice. I'm just showing you how to simply create YouTube thumbnail from using your Canva app. So I'm done right now. I'm going to export my design now. So I'll click on this share icon. It will bring out options. I'll click on download. I'll still click on this download again to download it to my device. So this is how, it will ask you save. Click on this save and you will see your design in your gallery. So this is how to simply create YouTube thumbnails using Canva design. If you have any using Canva app. If you have any question, ask me at the comment section, and if you found this video useful, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and tips like this. Don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up, like my video and drop a comment. Thank you.